Gaming for extended periods can quickly drain your Galaxy S23's battery. If you notice faster than normal battery drain when gaming, use these tips to diagnose the cause and identify solutions. Before we move on, please take a second to like our video or even share it with your friends who might have issues with their devices. It's a great help for us. Now let's jump right into our tips. Check the battery usage. The first step is to examine battery usage and look for gaming apps that are using excessive power. To check usage details, navigate to Settings, then Battery and Device Care, and finally Battery. From there, you'll be able to see all the information you need. See if any games are showing high background usage or consuming too much battery, even when you're not actively gaming. If you find one, then close the app, and that will help fix the problem. Lower the graphics settings. Graphically intensive games use more battery power. Lower the graphics quality in the game settings to reduce the load on the battery. Turn off any extra visual effects as well. Disable unnecessary features like GPS or vibration while gaming to conserve battery further. Close other apps running in the background too. Use the power saving mode. The Game Booster feature on Galaxy S23 phones has a special power saving setting that can limit battery drain during extended gaming sessions. Enable this from the Game Booster menu while playing games. It reduces brightness, FPS, and other power-hungry features. Check the display settings. Using maximum screen brightness and high screen timeout while gaming drains the battery quicker. Lower the S23's brightness to around 30-50% and set the screen timeout to 2 minutes or less for gaming. Lower resolution can help as well. Update your apps and OS. Check if gaming apps and the S23 OS have pending updates. Updates often contain battery optimizations and may resolve any gaming battery drain issues. Updating apps and system software is an important troubleshooting step. If the battery continues draining very fast during gaming sessions, even after trying these tips, it's recommended to contact Samsung support or your carrier for further help. We hope this guide can help you. Thanks for watching.